Did you know that ants don't have lungs like we do? Instead, they breathe through tiny holes on their sides called spiracles. These spiracles are connected to a network of tubes that deliver oxygen directly to their cells. When they need oxygen, they open up these spiracles to let air in. And when they breathe out, carbon dioxide goes out through the same holes. The system works really well for ants because they're so small. It helps them get the oxygen they need to power their busy lives. So next time you see an ant, remember, it's breathing through tiny holes on its sides.